All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp. Excuse me. Now we're back at the FreeCodeCamp JavaScript algorithms and data structures main page, right? So we just finished the basic data structures course or section or whatever. And now we're on to the basic algorithm scripting section. So an algorithm is a series of step-by-step instructions that describe how to do something. To write an effective algorithm, it helps to break apart a problem down into smaller parts and think carefully about how to solve each part with code. So in this course, we're going to learn the fundamentals of algorithmic thinking by writing algorithms that do everything from converting temperatures to handling complex 2D arrays. All right. So before we get into this, let me let you in on this little thing I've noticed, okay? So as a beginner, I remember going through this back in the early parts of 2022 or the late 2021. And I remember going through this and not having a clue on what these guys were talking about. Basically, in my estimation, doing algorithms from scratch is almost like creating algebra from scratch, okay? How am I supposed to do that when I don't even know regular math, quote unquote? So yeah, these are actually way more advanced than FreeCodeCamp believes they are, because believe it or not, this site was written by a lot of veteran coders that think, of course, yeah, this stuff's real easy. No, it's not. That being said, if you're having trouble with any of these, just come on over to Code Wars, right? Just register yourself an account, or I don't know if you can, if you don't have to or whatever. But if you just start here with these 8 Qs, right? Because they're all ranked from 8Q down to 1, 8 being the easiest. If you just start off with these 8 Qs and start doing some practice on these, you'll start to get more familiar with it. And by the time you've done a few 6 or 5 Qs, believe it or not, because that's the level I'm at right now, then you'll be able to come into this thing and do it from scratch, okay? That being said, literally, you've still got my videos that you can work off of if you feel like it. The choice is yours. That being said, now we're on to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, and we'll see you next time.